we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Choose File, Save, or press Ctrl+S Command S. Or, choose File, Save as Ctrl+Shift+S Command Shift S to save a new copy of the file. In the Save dialog that appears, select a location on your hard disk, if you want to move it to a new location A. Save the file so you can edit it later.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think, without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.